Welcome to Tech Solutions. In this tutorial, we're installing Wine on Pop! OS 24.04, which is based on Ubuntu Noble. Wine allows you to run many Windows applications directly on Linux without using a virtual machine or dual boot. We're following the official method recommended by the Wine developers for Debian and Ubuntu-based systems, so this setup stays clean, secure, and easy to maintain. Let's begin by opening the terminal. The first thing we do is refresh the System Package Index. This ensures the system knows about the latest available software and dependencies. Next, we make sure that a few required tools are available. These are used to securely fetch and verify packages from external repositories. Pop! OS already includes most of them, but installing them explicitly avoids surprises. Now, we add Wine's official signing key. This key allows your system to verify that the Wine packages you install are authentic and haven't been modified. Without this step, the system would refuse to trust the repository. Once the key is in place, we add the official WineHQ repository for Ubuntu Noble. Since Pop! OS 24.04 is built on Noble, this repository works perfectly and receives timely updates directly from the Wine team. With the repository added, we refresh the package list again. At this point, your system is fully aware of the Wine packages and ready to install them. Now comes the main step. We install Wine using the recommended stable branch. This version focuses on reliability and compatibility, making it ideal for most users who want to run Windows applications without constant breakage. During installation, Wine may pull in a few additional dependencies. This is normal, and it ensures Windows programs can interact correctly with audio, graphics, and system libraries. Once installation is complete, Wine is ready to use. To confirm everything worked correctly, we can launch a simple Wine test application, like the Wine configuration window or the Wine clock. If it opens without errors, Wine is successfully installed on your system. At this stage, Wine will also create its default Windows-style directory structure inside your home folder. This is where Windows applications will live and run. And that's it. You now have Wine properly installed on Pop! OS 24.04 using the official and supported method.